Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Today, in this session, we shall be doing our new chapter of maths, shapes. When I say shapes, what comes in your mind? Yes, the different things that you find around you. Children, you must have seen many things at your home, in school, and in the surroundings. Everything has different shapes. Some are in a square shape, some in triangular shape, some in rectangular, and some in circular shape. So children, today we are going to discuss about plane shapes. Before moving ahead, let us first understand what are plane shapes. Any closed figure, children, as you can see in this example, this one is the closed shape because when we will draw this shape, we will reach to the point from where we have started. As you can see here, no gap, no space is there in between. On the other hand, this one is the open shape. As you can see here, there is a space or gap. That means this is not closed. So it is open shape. So children, any closed figure that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper, and it has two measurements, length and breadth. Such shapes are known as two-dimensional or 2D shapes. As we can see in this example, that it is a closed shape and it has both length and breadth. Children, plane shapes are made up of straight lines or curved lines. Children, here are some different types of straight lines. Horizontal, that means sleeping line. Vertical, standing line. And slanting line. On the other hand, children, these are some examples of curved lines. Now, let us see some examples of plane shapes. Children, as we can observe here, the plane shapes are made up of either straight lines or curved lines. The shapes which are circled with blue color, these shapes, children, these shapes are made up of straight lines. On the other hand, the shapes which are circled with red color, these shapes, children, they are made up of curved lines. As we discussed, children, that there are number of shapes all around us.
Triangle, rectangle, square, rhombus, circle, hexagon, oval.
Children, as we have seen that there are a number of shapes all around us, but the four basic shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. Now, let us discuss about these shapes. So the first shape is triangle. A triangle is made up of 3 line segments. Children, can you see these blue color lines? These lines are called as line segments because they have a fixed length. So these line segments make how many sides, children? 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. So a triangle has 3 sides and it has 3 corners. Can you see here a point highlighted with green color? These are corners. Children, a corner is a point where 2 lines meet. Can you see this line and this line? It is meeting at this point. So this is called as corner. Children, corner is also known as vertex. So a triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3. Now let us see some examples of triangle. Let us move on to the next shape, that is a square. Children, a square has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Children, these are the sides of a square. You know, children, all the sides of a square are equal. That means this side is equal to this side and this side. In the same way, if we talk about any side of a square, suppose this side, then it will be equal to this side and this side. In this way, children, all the sides of a square, this or this, they all are equal, children. And it has 4 vertices also. Vertices means corners, children, remember? Can you see these highlighted points, children? These are the vertices of the square. So a square has 4 vertices. Now let us see some examples of a square. Now the next shape is rectangle. Children, a rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. That means this side is equal to this side, as they both are opposite to each other. In the same way, this side is equal to this side because they are also opposite to each other. And it has 4 vertices, children. Means corners. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and its opposite sides are equal. Now let us see some examples of rectangle. In both the examples, children, the opposite sides are equal.